Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Exploding Kittens game with everything unlocked. Because, as I've said in another video about something else, you can go watch for yourself. Yeah, you probably know. I mean, it's not like you don't watch my videos, so... Anyway, YouTube videos don't really help out. They usually just clickbait. Basically, if you look this up on your browser and then or just like go to APK home, this website, either way, as long as you get to this website, you can download the game right here and everything will already be unlocked for you. The alternative route is going onto the app or downloading the game with everything not unlocked. An easy free way that I would do this would be to go onto Aptoid and then search up the game itself. So you can go on Aptoid and look up Exploding Kittens. This. It's right here. You can download it, as you can see I already did, but not from Aptoid, from the website right here as I showed you. So if you get it from Aptoid, you can then instead look up secret codes to unlock everything, which I assume was done in the application on APK Home. So if you go into the first result here, you should find all the codes to unlock everything. They are right here. So, yeah, these are the two ways I found to unlock everything legitimately in the Exploding Kittens app. So, thank you for watching and have a good day.